Okay, CarLovely channel was put on a little bit of a standby. It's been probably a month or so since I've put out a video or made a video. There's reasons, but we don't need to talk about those reasons. Things happen and sometimes you just need a little break from stuff. And now I'm ready to stop that break and to get back into this shit because I really enjoy filming and making videos. A lot has happened since, which would have been all good to film, but why would you do that? Volvo broken. I think I figured out the issue now. I think it's been fuel related, but it was being weird. I'm not even going to get into all the things it was doing to make me struggle with finding out a reason as to why it was broken, but parts are on order for it. We just gotta pick them up. So yeah, that'll be a thing in the next day or two. I just don't feel like it today because earlier this week I had gotten pulled over because apparently cops don't like it when you go sideways through an intersection, and he let me off very easy, thankfully. And basically he just said I need to do new tires in the back, go down to the station and get them to look at it, and no ticket or anything, just put new tires on it. So thankfully I have tires sitting. They're a bit smaller than the ones that were on there, but we had just ordered them because next week, which is probably the same week this video comes out, we're doing a trip to Spirit Peaks, quite a few of us, and we're gonna street drive our cars from the Canada lands and go down to the America lands and hopefully drift and make it home. So I need to mount tires anyway. So thanks, cop, for giving me a reason to actually start doing stuff. Yeah, I don't know what else is gonna be in the video, but there'll be stuff. So let's mount tires. As much as I really want to lower my car, we're going to be loaded to the brim on going on that road trip. So I'm going to leave it at this height, plus the smaller tire, a bit more clearance. We're going to wash cars and then meet up with everyone else. So that'll be interesting. Biking? You have a ball? At some point. I gotta find it somewhere. What do you mean? I bought 3 brand new
I have 2
balls.
other ones, but I want to find the one that we haven't lost yet.
Or might have lost, I don't know. I guess. Car's stupid.
I haven't washed it since I painted it.
I know.
I've sprayed it off.
That's another thing. I haven't filmed in so long. Matt's car's not even the same color.
I'm so scared the paint's gonna come off. That's why I haven't washed it.
It'll be fine.
I'm so scared. That's why I haven't washed it.
Painted KBD. Oh, 360. Nachos.
We have way too many chips.
No, we don't. We have 2 trays.
Yeah, but like.
The meat tastes good.
And also, you're a pleb, you buy a little packet, and then you put seasoning on top of the beef. No, get your own fucking seasonings. Get some fucking garlic powder, get some fucking onion powder, get some fucking chili powder, some fucking seasoning salt, get some fucking black pepper, freshly cracked.
Get you some bitches!
The way I talk, I honestly don't have those. But we got nachos.
You got Nolan.
I got a Nolan now. I mean, that'd be enough meat. We'll make it work.
Let me know in the comments how many more chips we have.
See, I don't even want to say stuff like, oh, leave it in the comments, because I posted the last video and all of a sudden the comments got shut off for no fucking reason.
Did they get shut off or did just no one comment?
No, they literally got shut off and I had to look into it.
I had to look into it.
I looked into it.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, wait, do I know?
Sideways, other way.
That's a mount.
Yeah.
Those chips are dead. Holy chose. Sorry, Brandon. I knew you were going for that.
Smoked a raccoon, dude!
Oh my.
You can see its organs. It's probably, it has to, is it not under my car?
Shark nose.
No, I think I saw it.
Dude, I don't know what happened. I just saw fiberglass spray at my car.
I told you,
It hit my car also.
Oh, ew, dude.
Get up! Walk around if you need to! It barely makes any noise.
Do at least a 90. Just for fun.
No,
All of our cars are too loud to do a skid, so you need to do just a little skid. No crazies, just a little nice little fit skid. Just sounds like gravel. Literally just sounds like a car on gravel.